OMG, what about him? Look at his muscles. Oh, he's definitely the one.
And he has a motorcycle.
Oh, come on, honey. I know you want to ride on that.
Stop. No, yeah, and he's proud to announce that he snorts cocaine every morning.
Well, maybe it's just a phase.
Seriously, guys, I don't think that I'm up for this.
Wait, what about him? He's cute and in a band.
And they look legit. And he loves animals.
Oh, come on. You know you can't say no to that. You haven't been on a date since that last guy dumped you, tore out your heart, and the only thing that let you sleep at night was when your mom sang you on McDonald. It was a tough time for her.
No, I can't, okay? I can't. Do you remember the last time that I went on a date? I panicked when he tried to kiss me and I farted.
Kate, what?
It's just not gonna happen.
I'll hold her down. Whoa! Go! Go! Did you do it yet?
I sent it.
No!
No! Yes! Kate.
No, I will kill you! No! He's typing back!
Did he say anything yet?
He texted back!
Yeah! Yes! Yes!
You have a date next Friday!
Yeah! Yes! It's for your own good, Kate! For your own good, yes!
Color looks so good on you.
That's what I was gonna say. It looks so pretty. I'm just gonna darken it.
No. Stop. Stop. Let me do this. It's gonna be fine. Everything's okay. There.
I think I'm gonna vomit.
No. None of that.
You'll be fine. Plus, you look so good. We'll be practically there the whole time.
Oh.
You look so good.
Road trip! Woo! Yeah!
Don't get too excited. We'll probably be dead soon.
Hey,
I'm a good driver.
Kate, please slow down.
I think she's fine.
No, she's going way too fast. Kate, please slow down. She needs to go slow. Kate, slow down, please.
I'm a good driver!
No, you're not! Stop the car! Stop! Stop it right now! About to hit the cone. Kate! Kate, you hit the cone! Kate! Stop!
Fine, I'm fine!
Stop
I'm
this car
fine!
right now!
See, he made it here safe and sound.
Kate! First of all, you ran into a traffic cone, and now you press the... I'm so excited. Don't worry, sweetie. We'll be right there. We'll watch you.
Yeah, we'll be like spies.
What? No! He'll see you.
You won't even know we're there.
Yeah, well what if I need to like vomit or ditch or something?
Well, then just wave your napkin and then we'll meet you in the bathroom. Okay. Let's go.
Now go. Go.
Bye.
I'm so proud. Wait, is she?
Oh no.
You look great. I think I see him. Now go get him. Wait. Okay, now go get him.
Hi, you're Jeff, right?
Yeah, it's Kate.
Yeah.
What looks good on the menu?
Oh, you do.
Hi, can I get you guys anything to drink?
Yeah, water's fine for me.
Okay. And you, miss?
I'll have a Coke, please.
I'll be right back with your orders.
So, tell me a little bit about yourself, Kate.
Like what?
Oh, we both go to the same schools, and, you know, like, what are you doing after college and whatnot?
Well, I'm majoring in psychology and minoring in human services, and after that, I don't really have that figured out yet.
Yeah, me neither. I guess we do have something in common.
All right. Here are your meals.
Is this Chef Boyardee?
No, it's the chef special. No, it's a chef special.
No, I'm pretty sure that this is Chef Boyardee.
No, it's a chef special.
Why are you arguing with me? This is obviously Chef Boyardee.
It's the chef special.
You know what? It's fine. We're fine. Looks great. Thank you. We're fine.
Okay, enjoy.
That was definitely Chef Boyardee.
Yeah.
I think you have some little sauce on your face. A little something on your face. Just a little sauce or something.
God, he's normal. He's handsome and he can flirt.
So what's the problem?
I'm the problem. My flirting is cringy. There is sauce on my face and I farted. Again. So I'm gonna go.
Listen and look at me. You're gonna go back out there and you're gonna finish this date. You are beautiful and strong and confident, and he probably didn't even smell it. And if he did, it's okay because it's a normal bodily function. And we're gonna wipe the sauce off because that's gross. It's disgusting. Okay, perfect. You look beautiful, gorgeous. Now go out there, steal his heart, grow old together. Yes. Grow old.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, just had to use the labor is all.
Okay, so where were we? Oh, yeah. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, it's just me. And you?
Yeah, one sister. Do you have any dogs?
Yeah, actually, she's a small Chihuahua mix. Her name is Maya.
Oh, she sounds adorable. I've always wanted a dog.
Then why didn't you get one?
I don't really know. My parents never really let me for some reason. Look, Kate, I just wanted to say I think tonight went great, and I like spending time with you. I don't really want tonight to end.
What? Really? I didn't know that you felt the same way. We could go somewhere after this.
Yeah, totally. How about your house?
Are you sure? It's not very clean, but yeah, we could go there.
It doesn't matter to me as long as we're alone.
I mean, besides my dog, then yeah.
Perfect. So what's your dog's name?
Oh, her name is Maya.
Oh, okay.
I think she's really gonna like you.
I hope so.
Hey! Oh my god. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, Ma? Yeah? Hey, Ma, you wanna go for a walk, Ma? Yeah? Yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah. You ready? Ma, you wanna go for another walk? Yeah?
No, care about is this goddamn dog. I'm sorry, but we're done.
You know what? Fine.
Maya?